shit. What? Oh no! Dropped myself in the shower, better bend down. Ah! Cum. Actual fucking cum. Maui moisture healing for dry and damaged hair. Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum. How's it going, everybody? This is Jack. Welcome to bathroom unboxing number 5. Yeah! Bathroom unboxing. Last episode was pretty lousy, but don't worry, this will be quite humorous. Okay. We've been unboxing mysteries. We've been unboxing dildos. Today, little Indiana Jones here. Look at that little Stitch reference. Oh my god. Okay, look. We're going to be palling around, we're going to be uncovering the sacred text of RAH. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, here we go. Here's our snack. Okay. This one's the chosen one. This is the one that stayed in the bin. My fucking, textbook or binder of strange drawings I did when I was like 10. So this should be fun. They're all about fun. A FNAF comic edge hood disease. Oh, Five Nights at Freddy's comic. Okay, that makes sense. I can finally see the kitchen. What? Bang, bang, bang. Okay, that's good. As long as I was just kidding, Carl. Oh no. This is a Stone Fox project I did 4th grade. Dog sled race, enter the race now. Just for $50 to get in. You could win this $500 if you win. Look at that. Oh my god, that scared the shit. That scared the shit out of me. Holy fuck, look at that. Look at that scary ass drawing of Five Nights at Freddy's characters. Jesus fuck. Holy fuck, that scared the shit out of me. What the fuck? That scared the shit. What the fuck? Freddy, Bonnie, Chica Fox, and holy shit, that scared the fuck out of me. That's fucking scary. I'm Freddy's dude, I can do that shit. Like, oh my god, what the fuck is this? Five Nights at Indie Woods? That's a fucking Indie Woods. Okay, look. What? Is that a fucking dildo? Okay, oh, hello. It was a wine glass, okay. I'm Jack. Today we're going to be talking about Five Nights at Freddy's parodies. Oh my god, look. Scary. Angry Birds, Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh my god, look. Look at that. I'm in the game. It's actually scary. Door, close the door. There's birds. Jack, look out. That's me. Oh my god. It's 5 a.m. Oh my god, the power went out. Jesus Christ, oh my god, 6 a.m. Whoa. Second night. Whoa, what's gonna happen? Am I gonna fucking die? Oh my god, look. Chuck Bonnie killed me. Look, I'm dead. And I tried to make Mom scared because I think I died in every one of my comments. It's like, whatever. Fucking. Seems that door doesn't work anymore, pal. Flip. Oh, that was fucking scary. I could've died. Holy shit, this is scary as fuck. This is scary as fuck, dude. Five Nights at Freddy's scary as fuck. What the fuck? Let me in, it's the crying child, but he dies. Oh no, he's dead. Get the fly. Oh my god, now you're alive, Freddy. Yeah. It's me. It's 1987. Ah. Then later in FNAF 2, holy shit, Jeremy Pitchell just got his fucking brain ripped out by an ankle. Mike, it is just that we cannot roam anymore. What the fuck? This is my brother. My brother liked drawing penises because he was a 6th grader when I wrote this. Don't listen to him. My name is William Afton. I'm gonna fucking murder you. Oh my god. Now they're trapped in a spring trap. Now he's trapped in a spring trap. Holy shit, no, he's dead. Okay, what's this? Oh fuck. No. You guys thought I was cool, huh? Well, not anymore. Because I shipped vodka. We're gonna be here for a while. A while? What do you mean? A while? You're still saying it wrong. Bonnie, you're being queer. Oh, come on, that one doesn't even have a silent H in it. I was pretty impressed with my grammar skills. Never mind that, Bonnie. Who are you talking to? A friend of mine, Toy Chica. A picture of Toy Chica. Horny little bitch, fucking Scott, goddamn, it's got compliments and boring ass things. No, she's not my type. You're my type. That's cute as shit. Really? What? You're just saying that so I can feel better. Angst. No, I'm saying that because I'm Surowies. I would not do this. Mwah. Oh no. Fuck. This one, the paper got ruined from the shower that I turned on. It's supposed to be an ASDF ripoff. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, fuck. No. No. What the fuck? You won't look so smug with the hole. You won't look so smug with the hole in your head. What the fuck? I also made this in 4th grade. The Elf on the Shelf by Jack Brooks. This book is dedicated to my mischievous elf. Hello, my name is Bonnie. Yeah, quit laughing. I know I have a girl's name, but whatever. And you know I call her Bonnie because Prince Freddy's came out this year, and I love Bonnie to bits. And everyone was talking about how Foxy may have caused Spider 87, or how these stupid fucking animatronics are walking around. No, I was talking about how Bonnie was a dude. That's gross. I harassed several girls for portraying Bonnie as a whim. The computer turned on Five Nights at Freddy's, and it scared me to death, so I abruptly flew someplace else. Five Nights at Freddy's, holy shit, I told you it was scary. So I flew to the kitchen in hopes that when the kids would wake up, they could eat cookies. Because you're gonna get the cookies from the kitchen. Oh yeah, they're gonna eat but let's just say that was an epic fail! Wow, what's gonna happen? How is it an epic fail? I made a lot of groggy, so the whole family woke up. Bang! Smash! Holy shit, dude! The fire pit! Holy fuck, dude! He's dead in the fucking kitchen! What the fuck? The whole family was chasing me all over the house. It was actually fine. He's like, what's causing this ruckus, perhaps? Can't be the elf. Okay. This was made like 2 years ago, 1 year ago. So this was like 8th grade. Dr. Seuss books, even though that they're for children, they have rhymes and really weird and strange illustrations. They actually have some hidden messages, okay? You're the turtle before you, and other stories, is about fascism. There's a story that might help you through these rough times. This is addressed to people, my friends with small willies. Gertrude McFuzz. Okay, so there once was a girl bird named Gertrude McFuzz, and she had the smallest plain tail ever was. One droopy droop feather, that's all that she had. And oh, that one feather made Gertrude so sad. For there was another young bird that she knew, a fancy young birdie named Lalalee, and instead of one feather behind, she had two. Poor Gertrude, whenever she happened to spy Miss Lalalee flying by in the sky, she got very jealous, she frowned and she pouted. Then one day she got awfully mad and she shouted, "This just isn't fair, I have one, she has two. I must have a tail like Lalalee. So if you have one penis, and another guy has two penises." So she flew to her uncle, a doctor named Dake, whose office was high in a tree by the lake, and she cried, "Uncle Doctor, oh please do you know of some kind of pill that will make my tail grow?" Does that sound familiar? tut, tut, said the doctor. Such talk, how absurd. Your tail is just right for your kind of a bird. Stop a minute. Then Gertrude had tantrums. She raised such a din that finally her uncle, the doctor, gave in, and he told her just where she could find such a pill, on a pillberry vine on the top of the hill. Oh, thank you, chirped Gertrude McFuzz, and she flew right straight to the hill where the pillberry grew. I don't think those pills really give you bigger penises. I think they just give you cancer. Yes, there was the vine, and as soon as she saw it, she plucked off a berry. She started to knot. It tasted just awful, almost made her sick, but she wanted that tail, so she swallowed it quick. Then she felt something happen. She felt a small twitch, as if she'd been tapped down by something. Tapped, as if she'd been tapped down behind by a switch. And Gertrude looked round. She cheered. It was true. 2 feathers, exactly like La La Lee Loo. The fuck? Oh yeah, okay. That was the weirdest fucking rhyme ever. Then she got an idea. Now I know what I'll do. I'll grow a tail better than La La Lee Loo. These pills that grow feathers are working just fine, so she nibbled another one off the vine. Now she has 3 penises, look at that. She felt a new twitch, and then Gertrude yelled, "Wait! Miss Lolly Lou has just 2, I have 3. Ooh, fuck, she's enjoying that a bit too much, okay. When Lolly Lou sees this beautiful stuff, she'll fall right down flat on her face, sure enough. I'll show her who's pretty, I certainly will! Well, I'll make my tail prettier! Stop! She snatched at those berries that grew on that vine. She gobbled down 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And she didn't stop eating young Gertrude McFuzz till she eaten 3 dozen. That's all there was. Dude, Jesus Christ, she has quadruple 27 penises, dude. They're branching off of each other. Like, imagine if this was on your pelvic region. What would you? What would you do? Stupid bitch. And then it took almost another week more to pull out all those feathers. My Gertrude was sore. And finally, when all the pulling was done, Gertrude behind her again had just one. That little feather she had as a start. But now, that's enough, because now she's... Okay, so there's a guy in Mexico or something, I don't fucking know. Some like Pueblo country. I'm sorry, that was a little racist. Yeah, this guy has like a huge fucking schlong, okay? It's like 2 feet, I don't really fucking know, I forgot, but it's a true story, and he's still alive, and you can't use it because it's so fucking big that some parts, that blood can't even get to some parts, it can't reach out far, so like you can't even get fully erected, so we can't really use it. So yeah, like Gertrude couldn't fucking fly if she had all those goddamn feathers, and yeah, I think that's yeah, it's a good analogy.
There was